Welcome back to 20 Car. In the vibrant tapestry of modern mobility, the 2026 GMC Savana 3500 Motorhome Unofficial Concept emerges like a wandering oasis. A philosophical testament to humankind's eternal quest for freedom and sanctuary. Imagine a vessel not merely built for transportation but conceived as a rolling epic, where the road becomes a metaphor for life itself, winding and unpredictable. Every curve sensed, every sunrise witnessed, this motorhome challenges us to redefine the boundary between the journey and the destination. And to see travel not simply as passage but as poetic immersion. Appearance characteristics. The exterior design of this unofficial concept is a harmonious blend of rugged utility and refined elegance. Bold, sculpted lines carve the bodywork into a silhouette that evokes both strength and grace. While panoramic tinted windows wrap the cabin in a ribbon of glass that captures vistas in cinematic grandeur. LED accent lighting contours the wheel arches and roofline, lending the unit an ethereal glow at dusk. A retractable awning, crafted from weather-resistant fabric with subtle geometric patterns, unfolds like a welcoming banner, inviting travelers to linger in its shade. Internal specifications. Step inside and discover a sanctuary where artisanal craftsmanship meets cutting-edge innovation. The interior spans over 30 feet in length, offering generous headroom and an open-plan layout. Premium sustainably sourced hardwood floors flow seamlessly, guiding the eye from a plush lounge area to a state-of-the-art kitchenette. Ambient lighting panels, capable of mimicking natural daylight cycles, adjust automatically to enhance well-being on the go. Integrated smart sensors regulate temperature, humidity, and air quality, ensuring a consistently comfortable environment regardless of external conditions. Built-in living room inside. At the heart of this motorhome lies an elegant living room, anchored by a handcrafted modular sofa upholstered in vegan leather. Facing a 50-inch retractable OLED display, the space transforms effortlessly from a cozy reading nook to a mini cinema. A sliding coffee table hides wireless charging pads, while magnetic art panels allow travelers to personalize the ambience with curated prints or family photos. Hidden storage compartments beneath seating conceal travel essentials, maintaining a clutter-free oasis. Built-in dining room inside the car. The dining area features a convertible table that telescopes from a sleek surface into an intimate dining platform for four. Seating is provided by bench-style banquettes adorned with cushioned backrests and ergonomic contours. The tabletop, forged from recycled composite materials, is both heat-resistant and easy to clean. Overhead, adjustable pendant lights emit a warm glow that can shift from bright dusk light for meals to soft mood lighting for post-dinner relaxation. Built-in bedrooms inside the car. When night falls, the motorhome reveals two private sleeping quarters. The master suite boasts a queen-size Murphy bed that descends from the wall, complete with memory foam mattress and hypoallergenic linens. Soft LED reading lights flank the headboard, each with independent touch controls. A secondary bunk room, ideal for children or guests, houses two stacked beds with built-in safety rails and personal illumination. Privacy curtains lined with blackout material guarantee restful sleep in any time zone. Built-in bathrooms inside the car. The full-service restroom rivals luxury hotel standards. A compact, folding glass shower enclosure features an overhead rain shower head with adjustable pressure. Fixtures in brushed matte black finish contrast elegantly with white quartz walls. A smart toilet offers bidet functions and self-cleaning capabilities. The vanity includes a vessel sink carved from recycled stone, paired with a motion-activated mirror that displays weather updates and calendar notifications. Built-in home office inside the car. For the digital nomad, a dedicated home office desk folds out from a hidden panel adjacent to the living area. Equipped with wireless connectivity boosters and multiple USB-C and Ethernet ports, the workspace accommodates dual monitors. An ergonomic stool, adjustable in height, tucks neatly into the console when not in use. Soundproofing panels line the walls, creating an acoustically optimized zone for conference calls, creative brainstorming, or inspired solo writing. Built-in home theater inside the car. Transforming the lounge into a private theater is effortless. Blackout curtains descend to cocoon the space as the OLED screen emerges. Immersive surround sound emanates from concealed speakers, calibrated to the cabin's acoustics. Plush recliner seats with built-in cup holders and footrests swivel to perfect viewing angles. Users can stream content via integrated smart platform or connect personal devices through HDMI and wireless casting. Built-in gym fitness room inside the car. Health enthusiasts will appreciate the compact gym module. A fold-away resistance band station attaches to reinforced mounts in the wall, while a telescoping pull-up bar drops down for bodyweight exercises. Slide-out drawers house yoga mats, dumbbells, and agility equipment. The motorhome also includes a foldable treadmill platform that clicks into floor recesses, providing a safe and stable running surface. Built-in laundry room inside the car. A surprisingly comprehensive laundry nook conceals a combination washer-dryer unit energized by a quiet inverter system. Folding racks integrate into the wall for air-drying delicates, and storage cubbies stow detergent and supplies. A retractable ironing board flips up above the unit, while a dedicated garment rack holds freshly pressed attire. Technical specifications of the car. Beneath its luxurious shell, the 2026 Savana 3500 Motorhome Unofficial Concept relies on a hybrid diesel-electric powertrain delivering 450 horsepower and 800 pounds-to-foot of torque. All-wheel drive combined with adaptive air suspension adjusts ground clearance on demand, from 8 inches for highways to 12 inches for off-road trails. The concept chassis integrates carbon fiber reinforcements, reducing weight by 15% while boosting torsional rigidity. Car speed from 0 to 100. This heavyweight marvel sprints from 0 to 100 km height in a respectable 9.2 seconds, thanks to its instant torque electric motors coupled with a turbocharged diesel generator. The system seamlessly switches between pure electric mode for silent urban cruising and hybrid mode for extra pulling power on winding mountain roads, ensuring both efficiency and performance. Car competitors. In the luxury motorhome segment, this concept squares off against the Airstream Globetrotter Classic, the Winnebago Horizon AWD, and the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter-based Grand California. While each competitor offers strong points, none match the Savana's integrated living amenities or the seamless blending of high-tech features with handcrafted detailing. Car price. As an unofficial concept, a production-ready variant would likely command a base price in the range of $480,000 to $550,000. This positions it above mainstream offerings but below ultra-luxury super RVs, striking a balance between attainable exclusivity and comprehensive onboard comforts.